Hello students, today we will going to discuss fraction, chapter 2 of class 7. So in this chapter we will learn about to know about fraction and decimals, to know about how to add and subtract fraction and decimals, to know about how to multiply and divide fraction and decimals. But in this video we will talk about fractions only. So a fraction is a number, then name a part of whole. A fraction is written in the form of numerator upon denominator, as you can see here. Now next slide is part of fraction. So part of fraction, there are two parts of the fraction, numerator and denominator. The part which is above the bar is known as numerator, which is below the bar is known as denominator. As you can see in the example 1 by 3, here 1 is a numerator and 3 is a denominator. Now type of fractions. So what are the types of fractions? First is proper fraction. If numerator is smaller than denominator, then it is proper fraction. Example 1 by 3. Improper fraction. If numerator is greater than denominator, then it is improper fraction. Example 3 by 2. Now mixed fraction. It is a combination of natural number and proper fraction. Example 2 whole 1 by 2. Here there is a combination of natural number and proper fraction. Like fraction, pair of fraction having same denominator. For example here 1 by 5, 3 by 5, 2 by 5 and so on. Unlike fraction, pair of fraction having different denominators. Example 1 by 3, 2 by 5. New unit fraction, pair of fraction having numerator as 1. Example 1 by 3 and 1 by 5. Now converting a mixed fraction into an improper fraction. How we will convert it? So we will do multiply with the denominator to the natural number and add to the numerator. It becomes 4 into 1 plus 3. 4 into 1 is 4 ones are 4 and plus 3 is 7. So it becomes 7 by 4. Now come to the converting an improper fraction into mixed fraction. So how we will convert it? Divide the numerator by the denominator, that the quotient will be whole number and remainder be the numerator, while denominator will remain the same. Here you can see the 7 by 4. Here the 7 is divided by 4 and the answer is, and the quotient is 1 and the remainder is 3. So 1 become the whole number, the quotient become the whole number and 3 become the numerator and the denominator remain same. So it becomes 1 whole 3 by 4, a mixed fraction. How to find the equivalent fraction? To find the equivalent fraction of the proper and improper fraction, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the same number. Example, here the 1 by 2 multiply by the 2 in every step. So 1 by 2 multiply by 2 is equals to 2 by 4. Again multiply by 2, it becomes 4 by 8. Again multiply by 2, it becomes 8 by 16. Hence 1 by 2 is equivalent to 2 by 4 is equivalent to 4 by 8 and is equivalent by 8 by 16. Multiplication of fraction. How to multiply fraction with the another number? If we have to multiply the proper or improper fraction with another fraction, then we multiply simply the numerator of the both fraction and denominator of the both fraction separately and write them as new fraction. For example, fraction into fraction will be equals to product of numerator upon product of denominators. Example, a by b is multiplied by c by d, so the answer will be a into c upon b into d. Let's see the example here. 2 by 5 multiplied by 3 by 4. So the answer will be 2 into 3 upon 5 into 4 is equals to 6 upon 20. Here in the second one, 1 by 2 of 9 by 4. So 1 by 2 into 9 by 4. 1 into 9 is 9. 2 by 4 into is equals to 8. And we can write it as mixed fraction also. 1 whole 1 by 8. Do it by yourself. Division of fractions. How to divide fraction with another fraction? To divide fraction with another fraction, we have to multiply the first fraction with the reciprocal of the second one. Now what is reciprocal? Reciprocal means we have to convert numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator. As you can see in the example, a by b divided by c by d. A by b will remain same. Division will be changed into multiplication and c by d will become d by c. So here c by d reciprocal with d by c. Example, invert the fraction that you are dividing. Example, 4 by 5 divided by 2 by 3. Here 4 by 5 multiply 3 by 2. We are changing the reciprocal of the 2 by 3. It is 3 by 2. Multiply the numerator and denominator. Numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. So it becomes 4 into 3, 12. 5 into 2, 10. Now simplify the fraction is necessary. Here we will convert it into mixed fraction. So it becomes 1 whole 1 by 5. Thank you. I hope you all understood.